Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix menu not open on single click by trigger dummy user interaction to load delay skip immediately in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. If your menu is not open on single click, we are going to fix it. So this error cause when JavaScript execution delay in our WordPress website. So basically, delay JavaScript execution will delay the loading of external JavaScript files and inline JavaScript code until a certain point. So it's need user interaction to load delayed JavaScript execution files in WordPress website. So we are in WordPress dashboard. Scroll down on left side you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code in footer section. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, then you see header and footer, so click on it. Now global header and footer section open and scroll down. We are in footer section. Now paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section, and then you see ID trigger user interaction. Now in code you see 500 millisecond after a page loaded trigger a dummy user interaction. If your site is fast, adjust the second according to your requirement. Now you see, so you can add number according to your requirement, and then you see ID. Then click on save changes. Now setting saved and scroll down. You see ID. So you can use this ID in delay JavaScript execution section. If you use any cache plugin, so you can add this ID in exclude JavaScript file. Now go to Rocket plugin setting. Now you see we enable delay JavaScript execution. So we are going to add ID in this section excluded JavaScript file. So you can add ID according to your requirement in your plugin setting. Now back to code. So just add this code in footer section and then use this ID in excluded JavaScript file section, and you can set number according to your requirement and your issue will be fixed and your mobile menu will open in one click. So basically this code generate dummy user interaction after loading website. So this code will force caching plugin to load delayed skip immediately. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.